So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can make an extra $1,000 per month. Now, if you're just starting online, this is going to be probably like your first milestone. And once you've made that $1,000, I'm pretty sure that you will know that this online thing pretty much works, and now you're going to want to do more of it. And when you start to feel that way, that's when you start to earn more money, because now you're actually seeing the results, you're seeing the fruit of your labor, and now you just want to make more and more money. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can actually earn this first milestone. And with each of these ways that I'm going to share with you, if you can dedicate at least 2 to 4 hours per day solely focusing on your business, you can start seeing results. Now, this is something that I've mentioned in previous videos, where with any of these strategies that you choose one strategy and give it a minimum of 90 days in order for you to start seeing results. The reason why you want to do this is because everything comes with a learning curve. So if you're the type of person who has jumped from one thing to another in order to make money, this is where you're probably hitting that roadblock, because you have to understand, no matter what videos you see on YouTube or whatever you see on social media, if people talk about a particular strategy and how much money they made, you still have to understand there is a learning curve. You still have to learn how to set things up. You have to learn how to, depending on which you're going to build your business in, you have to learn Facebook ads, or you have to learn how to, promote on social media or whatever it is. It's going to take you a while to actually get adjusted to a daily routine that's going to help you to get results. So take that into account. There's always going to be a learning curve that you have to go through first before you start to see the fruits of your labor and start to earn money. So choose one of these strategies, and again, give it a minimum of 90 days in order for it to work. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you 6 ways that you can earn an extra $1,000 per month. So the first way I want to share with you is called retail arbitrage. Now, with this method, what you would do is you'll go out to different stores like thrift stores or something like that. You can find things there, and then you can come onto sites like eBay and sell those items. Now, what you could do to kind of do some research with this before you just go out and start buying random things, you can come over here to eBay, and let's say if you like to go to thrift stores, or like you like to go to garage sales where occasionally they sell clothes or things like that at garage sales, you can come over here, enter jeans, and then what I would do is I will scroll down and I'll come over here where it says show only sold items. Now you're going to see a whole list of items that have just recently sold. So then this way you can get an idea of what type of stuff really sells. So like Levi's jeans, they sold the last pair right here for $20. These can actually go up to a couple of $100 because those are some really popular jeans. Then you can see people like New York and Company, they like Hollister jeans and things like that. So when you're going out to these thrift stores or garage sales, now you have an idea of what type of products to actually sell on eBay, and then you will want to find, jeans that are like, that are Levi's and things like that. You just want to keep your eyes peeled for that. And then when you get those items, you can sell them here on eBay. Another way that you can also do this is through Amazon, of course. And what you can do is, and what one strategy that I see a lot of people do, especially on TikTok, is that they'll resell books on Amazon. So they'll go to thrift stores or something like that. They'll find books, and what they will do is with their Amazon app, they will scan the barcode on those books to kind of see if it's a good seller. If it is, they'll purchase those books from the thrift store, and then they'll add them to their Amazon store, and they can earn money this way. With both strategies, there's a potential to earn like 5 to 6 figures with both of these strategies. But even if you're not trying to reach those goals, it's still a great way to earn some extra cash every single month, especially $1,000 every single month with this strategy. Now, the next strategy that I want to share with you is to create a YouTube channel. So there are a variety of ways that you can actually make money with YouTube. So most people will think about YouTube AdSense, where you can join the partner program with YouTube, and then when they run ads on your videos, you can earn income. That's one way. But there's other ways you can make money. So like this video that we're looking at right here, he's doing a review of the top 5 headphones in 2020. So he's just giving his review, and then the ones that he covers inside of this particular video, he has them all linked to an Amazon store. So he is an Amazon affiliate. You can join the Amazon affiliate program. It's for free. Just go to the Amazon website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should see a link that says become an affiliate. You can become an affiliate for Amazon, and just like he does here, if somebody wants to watch this video and decide they want a pair of these headphones, they can come and click on any of them, go to through his Amazon link, and when they purchase, he earns a commission. So that's one way that you can earn money with your YouTube channel. Another channel that is really good at this is Graham Stephan. Now, Graham Stephan, he talks a lot about real estate. He talks about finances. He does a lot on the channel, real estate, everything. He talks about how he got a Tesla for $78, right? So he has a really good channel, and with his consistency on this channel, yes, he's making money probably with affiliate marketing and everything else, but this is a good example of somebody who's also making money with the YouTube AdSense program. Now, he's putting out consistent content, and he's putting out content that people want to know about. And then also, because he's talking about finances and things like that on this channel, those type of niches actually get a higher CPM on YouTube, which means he's going to earn more money per video that he sends out. So the last time I did some research on his channel, he's earning 5 figures per month with his YouTube channel. 1 year, he made $1 million off his YouTube channel just from YouTube AdSense. It is possible to do it, and he is a prime example of this happening. So the next way I want to cover is called ebooks. So if you have some type of expertise or just some knowledge in a particular field, what you can do is you can create a small ebook, and what you can do is you can sell it online. So what we're looking at right now, this is one website that you can actually sell your ebooks, and this is called gumroad.com. Once you create your ebook, you can sell it on sites like this. You can also sell it on Facebook through your Facebook profile. You can also sell ebooks on Shopify.com as well. And again, what you want to do is you just want to compile all your information into this ebook where you're just tackling one particular issue or problem or struggle, whatever it is, and then you want to sell it. So one way that you can actually create your ebooks is if you come over here to canva.com, you can come over here and you can pretty much design anything that you want. So let's put ebook here, and they'll have like an ebook cover. So you can come over here, choose one of their templates over here to create your ebook. And then all you have to do is just add the pages, type in all your information, and there you have a ebook. And all you have to do is just download it to your computer. And then you want to make sure that you upload it somewhere, so that way when somebody purchases the ebook, all you have to do is just send them a link to maybe Google Drive or something like that, so that way they can get access to the actual ebook. Again, with these ebooks, you want to just teach something inside of these books. They can also just be just like something that's really concise and to the point. We're not looking for full-on books, but we're just looking for a few pages. And again, you can sell these books anywhere from $7 all the way up to $47, possibly even more. But that's kind of the range that I typically see with ebooks. So the next one is to open up an Etsy store. So as you guys can see on this website, people are selling face masks, wall decor, self-care items, jewelry, buttons, everything over here. So it's more crafty over here as well, but you can still sell a lot of things over here. You can even sell digital products, just like you can create a digital planner or a digital workbook that people can actually purchase from you, and you can earn money that way as well. So the reason why I'm talking about this is because my sister has an Etsy store. She opened one just a few months ago, and she was able to make $2,000 in her first 2 weeks of opening that store. Now, to have success with this, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you include some type of keywords inside of the name of your products. So that way when somebody comes over here and they actually try to search for products on Etsy, your products will become easily found on here. So make sure that you do that. And a good way to do that is find other Etsy stores that are doing well, that are getting a lot of sales, and see how they are labeling their products. And that's what you want to do with yours. And you also want to make sure you include any type of descriptions and everything like that on your store, so people will know if it's like free shipping or they have to pay for shipping, any of that type of stuff. So just include all that information in your Etsy store. And the next one that I want to cover is freelancing. Now, this is something else that I also talked about on this channel quite a bit. It's another way that I actually started to make some of my money, my initial money online, is by freelancing or basically selling my skills. So while I was, online trying to learn more about online marketing, I learned a lot of things while watching YouTube University. So I learned how to create landing pages. I knew how to create sales funnels, all that type of stuff. So what I could have done if I wanted to is come over to a site like this, like Fiverr, and I could have set up a gig where I was selling, you know, people, I can create them a landing page and sold it for a few dollars or whatever else. How I sold my skills is through like Facebook groups or just through my Facebook profile. You can do that as well, but then also you can just have this option here, come over here to Fiverr and sell gigs. So if you know how to create logos, if you know how to do voiceovers, right? You have a really nice voice and you can record somebody's voicemail for them, you can make money on Fiverr. So you can see here, there's a wide variety of different jobs that people can do. And with this particular lady that I want to share with you, this young lady, I actually saw her on Fiverr, and she actually has made $1 million with Fiverr by offering her services. So she got started here on Fiverr. She became Fiverr Pro, which just means that you're a vetted vendor on here as well. And now she had made $1 million on September 18th of this year, of 2020, guys, right? And all she does is just selling her services. These are all her gigs right here, and she's making a lot of money with this option. So you can make a lot of money with freelancing. Again, you can use Fiverr. There's also a website called Upwork.com. You also have Freelancer.com. And again, you can also offer your services via social media as well. So the final way that I want to share with you is through affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new to this channel, this is what I talk quite a bit on this channel because it's something that I do to earn income. Now with affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with what it is basically we as affiliates will actually promote products that are created by other people, brands or companies. And if somebody purchases through our affiliate links, which are coded to us, we can earn a commission. So any big brands that you can think of, like Amazon, Target, Walmart, all these different places have affiliate programs. So what you will have to do is just go to those websites, and typically if you just scroll down to the bottom, they'll have a link to become a partner or to join the affiliate program. In most cases, they are free to join. And all you have to do, again, as an affiliate is to get a lot of people to go through your link to buy something. They already dealing with the customer service. They already have the product to sell and everything. We don't have to create products. We don't have to deal with customer service issues or anything like that. Again, our only job as affiliates is to get a lot of people to visit these websites. And if somebody purchases through our link, again, we earn a commission. So one of the ways that I actually do this is through this YouTube channel. And if you go underneath any of my videos, I'll have affiliate links to products or services that I'm currently using to build my business. Also, I do video reviews of products that have just been released, and I give the full review of the product. I let people know the benefits and the features of the product. And if they want to purchase, again, I'll just tell them go to the affiliate link underneath the video in order to purchase. Now, another way that I do this is through my blog. So on my blog, I have a few things over here. These are affiliate offers. So if somebody comes to visit my blog and they click on any of these things, they can actually, and they click on these things, they purchase something, I earn a commission. And some of the sites where I actually get my affiliate products from that I actually promote is, through clickbank.com. You also have Clickfunnels.com. They have a really good affiliate program there. Also Warrior Plus JVZoo. And if you catch my video that I did on yesterday, I talked about a particular strategy that I used when I first got started online with affiliate marketing and how I made my first $1,500 with that strategy. And I kind of break down the sites that I use, how to find products, and how I actually promote them using my YouTube channel in order to earn commissions. Now, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, again, for me, in my opinion, I think affiliate marketing is a great way to get started making money online because there's typically a low barrier to entry. And then again, you do not have to create your own products or anything like that. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing and the actual system I am currently using to build up my affiliate marketing business, in the description below this video or any of my videos on this channel, I will include a link to my #1 way to make money online. Just go ahead, click on that link, and it'll let you know more about the exact system I am using in order to learn more about affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you 6 ways that you can actually start to earn an extra $1,000 per month. Again, choose one way Give it a minimum of 90 days in order for it to work. And if it starts to work for you, or you generate your first sale with one of these strategies, leave me a comment below. Let me know what's going on so we can go ahead and congratulate you on your success. And then also, if this is your first time watching this channel, make sure you go underneath this video, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching in the world, and hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.